Hey, congratulations to us. We are now a community of over 9,000 subscribers to the Ellen Gormley YouTube channel. Thank you so, so much. Thank you so, so much. So as a thank you, I am offering a giveaway. So stay tuned because I've got a couple different options. So I know many of you already have some of my books. So the first option is a package, a prize package with all 6 of my books. I did find one more copy of this one that is very rare and hard to get. So the signed set of all 6 of my crochet books for shipping, I will ship anywhere in the world for you. These books are all in English. So enter any of the prize ideas today. You need to like this video, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're one of the 9,000 subscribers to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, please. With your comment, I'd like you to say something that's unique about you. So maybe your first name and a pet's name or the name of a city. I don't want you to give away identifying information, but something in case there's like multiple people with the same name that's unique to you. So maybe your first name and your city, and hopefully I won't have too many, Ellens from Cincinnati. So if you think you're in a big town, maybe add Ellen from Cincinnati, Hobie, your a pet's name or something so that I know who is who. So what I'll do is from all of the subscribers, likers, and commenters, if I will pick randomly a winner, I will notify the winner on Valentine's Day. So you have until the end of the day, 11:59 Eastern Ohio time, on Sunday, the 13th of February, 2022, to put in your entry. That is your comment, your name, your first name, something identifying like a city, and maybe a pet's name or some other random name or something to help me identify you by 11:59 on 11:59 p.m. Eastern on Saturday, February 13th. Okay, so one of the options for a prize is the entire pack of 6 books. Now, if you already have the books or you don't want the books and you'd rather have what's behind door number 2. Door number 2 is a 30-minute video Zoom session with me where we can discuss a design that is yours. I can either walk you through something, or I can help you make design decisions for you, or I can help you critique a design, or we can just chit chat about crochet, or whatever you want. But it would be like ultimately you could even choose it to be a design consultation. So a 30-minute Zoom call with me. So anybody anywhere in the world can have either one of the prizes. But if some of you have already purchased my books, you don't need them again. But if you don't have them and want to buy them, you can buy them at ellengormley.com or under the shop tab, or you can get them on Amazon. There's a link in the description below to my Amazon, and I do get an affiliate for that, so thank you very much. And that's about it. Super, super exciting when we get to 10,000 subscribers, which I anticipate hopefully will be soon. We can do another giveaway. It will be even bigger. So for this one, the 9,000 subscribers is the prize pack with all 6 of the books, or a 30-minute Zoom call with me. So I will send these anywhere in the world, but you might have to be patient and you might have to help me write the address correctly. So keep an eye out on your comments, because I will comment directly on your comment on this video if you're the winner. That way I get to the right person, and then you can email me and we can email back and forth and get all the details so that I can either ship the books or call you at an appointed time we can decide on together to do a 30-minute crochet video call. So I think it'll be fun. And thank you so much for being a part of the growth of this community. And thank you for being so kind to one another in the comments. And that's all for today. But stay tuned because there's another video coming Wednesday. This giveaway is open until the end of the night on February 13th. So on February 14th, which is Valentine's, my Galentine's, I will tell you who the winner is. And hopefully that person will be thrilled and will get back to me right away so that we can make it happen. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Ellen Gormley. I hope that you spent the last few minutes with a relaxing and valuable use of your crochet time. If you've not seen the last video, click up here if you've got a few more minutes. If you have seen it, here's another one I think you might really like. But everybody, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. See you next time.